In this video, we are going to learn to use would rather. So the meaning of would rather is going to be the preference, or when you mention what do you prefer between two options. So the structure is going to be that would rather is followed by the bare infinitive or the infinitive without the two, that is the bare infinitive. And then you have to add than. For example, I would rather have coffee than tea. So you have two options. You have coffee and tea, and you are expressing that you prefer coffee. I would rather not, this is negative, go out tonight. So as you can observe, you have to add not after would rather if you are expressing a negative sentence. Sometimes you don't have to mention the two options, only the first option that is going to be the one that you prefer. I would rather watch the movie at home. Okay, so you are expressing your preference. I would rather have breakfast. This is your preference. The negative of would rather, as we mentioned before, use would rather and not and the base form of the verb. For example, we would rather not go out tonight because we have to get up early tomorrow. Or she would rather not buy a house in this area because it's too far from work. So you are just adding not after would rather. Then we have an example of a question and the answer of the question with would rather. So it says, would you rather have a big party or a small party? As you can observe, we are adding the subject or the personal pronoun after would or between would and rather. All right, that's how we start. And then we have the verb or the base form of the verb. Would you rather have? So have is the base form of the verb. And then we have I would rather have a big party. But we are using the contraction or the abbreviation of I would. Right? I'd rather have a big party. Okay, so this is would rather.